So, hi, dear Aquarius. Very, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is an experimental reading for the last week of March 2026. I'm going to use the Angel Oracle cards. I don't know the name of these cards properly, to be honest with you. Somebody gifted them to me, but they are really, really very helpful. I like them a lot. I don't believe in angels because there are no angels in the sky. It's just energy, spirits, and all that things that we can feel. But, anyways, if you believe in that, it's up to you. Focus on the messages. Okay, what else? Okay, if you guys like the reading, let me know in the comment section. If you don't, we might not do it again. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Let's see the overall energy for Aquarius people for this week. So we have the Five of Michael. So this situation doesn't serve you. Release your attachment to the outcome. Consider taking a more uplifting approach. There is something that's not serving you anymore. Something or someone, a connection, a bond, a situation, a person, or something, some kind of moral value kind of thing. I don't know why am I saying that, but you might be into people pleasing, or just because you don't want to hurt others or a group of people, you might be draining your own energies. So the time has come for you guys to release that situation. It doesn't serve you anymore. Release your attachment to the outcome. You might be continuously focusing on what you should get out of a situation, the outcome. The moment you're going to detach, you might end up getting what you want. But if you're going to attach yourself too much to the outcome, it's going to get delayed and delayed and delayed, because it's a lack energy. Consider taking a more uplifting approach. You have to have positive mindset, and this open to get whatever you deserve or whatever is meant for you kind of energy, so that whatever you want, whatever you deserve, can come to you. This is the message for this week. Let's see per day message. 25th, Knight of Ariel. There is so much to accomplish. Make a very detailed plan, being watched over by someone kind. There's so much to accomplish in life. Why you are wasting your time and your life on something or someone that's not worth it, honey? Right? You might be stuck on something or someone that's not serving your purpose, that's not serving your life purpose, or your life, or I am sleepy. That's not serving your goals anymore, right? So instead of scattering your energies all over the place, make a detailed plan about what you want in a particular situation. And somebody's watching you, a kind person, a kind energy. There's someone around you who is very helpful, who is very kind, and they're willing to help you, but you guys have to help yourself first. 26, we have the Five of Gabriel, a challenge you can resolve. There's some kind of challenge that you can definitely resolve, because you have like gone through some kind of experience before as well, same kind of. Withdraw from the drama of others. No matter what happens, do not try to be a part of somebody else's drama. Keep yourself away from any kind of drama in your life. Have patience with yourself and those around you. You have to have a lot of patience with yourself first and people around you, because you might get a little bit irritated or frustrated because of the drama going on around you. So try to take a break from people if you can't handle them, and or just try to stay calm. 25th, 26th, 27th, we have the Sixth of Raphael. Embrace your inner child. Connect with your inner child, Aquarius. You might be becoming a robot. You might be becoming very, very mechanical, and you forgot how you used to feel when you were a kid. Connect with your inner child. New friends or rekindled relationship, children or childhood. Maybe you're visiting your parents, maybe you're visiting your siblings, maybe you're going somewhere where you are going to meet your childhood friends or something like that. Or simply you are going to feel like you should do something that's going to help you to connect with your inner child side, connect with your childhood kind of energies again. Please do that. It's going to be very, very healing and very, very positive kind of energy for you guys. 25, 6, 7, 28, we have the Empress. Time to act upon your plans. If you are planning and planning and planning and doing nothing about a certain situation, this the time has come for you guys to act upon your plans. Creativity is going to be rewarded, and a luxurious or abundant resources. Add some kind of creativity in a situation that you are working on, whatever way you can. I don't know how to add creativity in uh, software engineering, I don't know. So you guys know better than me. Maybe creating a code or something like in a beautiful way, maybe adding flowers. I don't know, just kidding. So you guys are going to get some kind of good resources also on the way while you are doing all of this. But the time has come for you to act upon your plans. 25th, 6th, 7th, 8th. 29th, we have two of Ariel. It's important to have balance, working multiple jobs or projects at once, making work fun. It's important to have balance in your work and in your personal life. You might be doing so many, you might be working multiple jobs, or you might be working on multiple projects at the same time, and it's actually not leaving room for anything beautiful. So you guys have to make work fun if you guys are not able to find like balance between your work life and your personal life. So making work fun is going to help you. You guys have to figure that out how. 30th, we have the Ace of Michael, a wonderful new idea. Don't allow bumps in the road to hinder your progress. Clear up communication problems with others. You guys are going to have an aha moment or bingo, got an idea kind of a deal. Write that down properly, okay? Whenever you are going to get that bingo or aha moment, write that down properly and work on that afterwards. Don't allow bump in the road to hinder your progress. You might get some kind of obstacles or challenges in the path of your uh, progress, whatever you are doing in whatever area of your life. You might get some kind of bumps on the road, so do not allow those obstacles or challenges like stop you from reaching wherever you want to go. And any kind of miscommunication or any kind of communication issue should be sorted at that day, on that day only, at that time only, okay? Some kind of communication issues might create some kind of issues in the coming future if not taken care of properly. 31st, we have the Seven of Gabriel. Stand up for what you believe in. If you believe that something or someone is meant for you, just stand up for yourself. Have confidence, claim your personal power. Even if it means that you guys have to stand up alone for yourself. Stand up for what you think is right for you or good for you. Even if nobody else is there for you, just stand up for yourself. Okay, do the right thing. Cool. Let's see the guidance here for you guys for this week, Aquarius. Queen of Michael, you know exactly what to do, the benefit of experience, a time for your career rather than relationships. You know exactly what to do in a situation where you have gone through, well, like in a situation you have gone through before as well. And this time your experience is going to help you to save you from something nasty or someone nasty. A time for your career rather than relationship. Focus more on your career, finances, business, on your stability rather than your relationships. Of course, stay in touch with your loved ones, but right now, shift your focus more on your career than your relationship. That is the guidance for you guys for this week. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.